Once again, good evening, everyone. So here, on what time frame, sir? Reverse head and shoulder.
So I think daily frame.
Yeah, daily time frame here. Yeah, you found it correctly here. It's almost, yeah, it's almost perfect, we can say.
Right, na?
Yeah, almost perfect. Here, everyone can see this one, double kind of here, reverse head and shoulder.
Yeah. If you stop there, I think everyone can understand. Yeah. The dotted line. Yes, you stop there. Yes. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I think now it's very clear for all.
Price is falling. Then first time it tried to recover, then gone deeper. That's a head, and then in right side shoulder, and we can see the volume activity here, right? Volume activity. So what should be the target here? Almost the depth of this head. So this depth of head is 2860 to 2650. So roughly.
How to draw that line? The target. How to draw that line?
If you have to measure a distance between two, here the price range. You can set this range and can from bottom to this center line, the one you are targeting, right? So it is 225 rupees here. 225. Same thing you can here.
Plus.
And that could be your natural target for this particular pattern. Not necessarily
that is
time. Every pattern will give the best optimum one, but this is the target you should get. But always that any pattern can fail also. So just I'm saying, always be cautious. All the things we are studying is based on the high probability, right? This probability, if it is in the say 60, 70, 80%, it is in your favor. That it is most likely you will be true, you will be correct. So if you take 10 decisions, 7, 8, 9 can go in your favor at right time, right? But anything you are studying, always remember that there is a chance of 20-30% failure. That you found head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder, very good. You took the trade here, perfect. You see the volume here, the first candle, it's a perfect time to take the entry. As soon as you have seen this candle. But every time you have to go on the small time frame and track it. Now here you found the pattern on the daily chart. Now how should you track it? Go to the hourly chart and start following this, because you have taken entry in the daily chart. So if you book the profit in the hourly chart, you will have at least some profit. So what you can do, this pattern, we will go to 50 and 200 EMA only. Let me close 20 EMA. Yeah. See here, this is the actual breakout here on the head and shoulder. This was the line, right? 2822. Is it visible to everyone? Please.
Yes.
You found. See here. This is how this actual head and shoulder has drawn. The one he is indicating.
Oh, here it is much more bigger.
Here it's an hourly chart, right? So you will see in here. So here, this is the center line. Always match these 2 points. So this is here, and this is the first candle where big volume breakout happened. Before any bigger volume, before any breakout, you will always find volume is totally dried. See here. Before the movement, see volume has gone much lower compared to the average volume. Look at this area. Can you see the dead volume?
Yes.
So after that, when you see the bigger movements, then you should see anything you are tracking, you know the position of that particular stock, what is happening on the larger time frame, right? So you know what is happening. You know that this stock is going into corrective phase. This particular stock, say Hero Moto, I will go here. Let me close the drawings to stop the confusion. Say, anyone who is following Hero Moto, he knows that this price is under correction. So when something is under correction, what kind of pattern you will wait for it? Any reversal pattern, right? If you want to go long in this particular stock, because it's already under correction, right? It has given a good move, and now from top, say top, it has formed 3600. Right now, price is 2900. It's a decent deep, right? It has gone below up to around 2600. It was in correction. So when something is in correction, you will look for the reversal patterns where at some price it will take reversal, right? So start making the diagrams from support resistance perspective and then look on the classical chart. Always remember your support and resistance will set all the benchmark. Every other thing, classical pattern, candle pattern, everything will be supportive. Okay. So I will start the drawing here. It's too much because it's for some short-term trading. So just look at the thicker lines here. Can you see particular line here, white line? Everyone can see here?
Yes.
So this line and this particular green line. Can you say this is the strong support when you are looking on the reversal, that somewhere here you can get the reversal?
Yes.
Agree? Basically, support line is this green one, but always remember that at a last phase of any correction can go lower point of that support. So this support, this should be support. Actual green line should be support. This one. Okay, but any last phase of correction always hits the stop loss of everyone. Now everybody will be ready, like the stop loss. I can highlight this one on pink line. This should be our stop loss because now this was the support, this was the support, and now this should be the support, right? This is how everybody works in the market. Like this should, if this is broken, then price can go much deeper. But always remember, whatever support you are taking, having some candles on the lower side. So if you have invested on any time frame, take some deeper stop loss based on the candles formed on those support lines. It can go here and take a bounce. So this will happen most of the time on all the time frame. So be ready to give up another 2-3% or 1-2%, depends on how trading have you taken the trading setup. But is it clear that this white line should be my final stop loss based on these candles here? Okay, that it can hit and go. So now when the price was under correction, you have to go and check the reversal setup. Now let's go to the daily chart and see what is happening. I will reduce the size here. Now I'm taking other points also so that you remember. When this price was falling, I got some falling wedge. Can you see the falling wedge? Someone can highlight. Can you see the falling wedge here between these two yellow lines?
Yes.
Everyone, please say. If you don't see it, tell.
Yes.
I'll repeat once again. We are into learning phase, so no need to sigh.
But it is forming a sort of a triangle, downward triangle, descending triangle, right? Between two yellow lines.
Yeah, that is what is called bullish falling wedge, right?
Yeah, lower lows and lower rise.
Right? Yeah, let me share once again. Let me go through once again. What are the classical chart patterns? Cup and handle. Cup will form, then handle will form. Everybody is familiar with the cup and handle. I will go with the example. Yes. Don't worry. We are not into hurry. Then there is a rounding bottom.
Round bottom.
That is similar to cup and handle, but it is more like a saucer than the cup. cup. Okay. Then there is a double top, M formation. Always look for the center line. What happens when something is taking a resistance on same line, and it might go into some sideways, right? But if neck is broken, the neck of this M is broken, that can go into deeper correction. So this is a double top, double bottom, that's a W, head and shoulder and reverse head and shoulder. This is what we are looking at right now, reverse head and shoulder. So this we are seeing right now in the example of Dr. Saab. Then there is a ascending triangle, descending triangle that I will further show you today. This is the pattern I am talking about, wedge. Now, practical market, exactly finding out exactly, like if you have a zigzag here, look at this pattern, bigger swing and then going into smaller swings. So this formed one kind of triangle here, right? Now look at this wedge and this example here today of Hero Moto. Can you say that these are similar? Look at the both yellow lines.
Yes.
For all other lines, huh? This is for trading. So can you see this is a similar?
Yes, sir. Similar one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone? Anyone have it?
Yes.
Please say. Let's see once again. The price has gone up from here, bottom to this point. Then came down, made one more point, then up, then down, and here. You already have 3 points on bottom and 3 points on top. Whenever you get 2 peaks and 2 bottom, start making patterns. Some kind of pattern will emerge on any particular stock you are studying. So here, have a closer look here. I'll delete this one. Have a look only on this particular line. See the breakout and retest here. Have a look here. Is it visible to everyone? Breakout, retest, and gone up. Now here, another interesting pattern emerged as Dr. Saab has seen. It's a reverse head and shoulder. It's not just about only one pattern. It was falling wedge, which is a bullish signal because it will give you reversal. So when some stock is in the correction or some stock is going upside, you have to look for continuation pattern, reversal pattern, right? You have to know whether it is going to be continuously falling or it will take the reversal. That is where your interest should be, right? If you are looking to invest in Hero Moto, you know this is in correction. So there might be at some point it will give the best price to take the entry. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So
here,
Sirji, that retest, no, just a bit explain about the retest. First breakout, then retest.
Any breakout, any resistance will have a tendency to take a pullback. Any resistance. You will see. I will say. Let's take this as a. Give this point a few minutes. I will show you how lot of retest will happen at all the resistance. Now keep asking such questions, so you will have clarity about the retest and other points. Let's take here. EMA, everyone is aware, right? Other than Pooja. Please go through all the videos. Okay, and we will have some separate sessions also. Okay, on this price. What is the line here? The red line?
Red line is a 200 EMA.
20 EMA.
200 EMA on
200 EMA.
Weekly
chart. Yes.
Was this a resistance here in this zone?
Yes, resistance there. Correct.
Yeah.
When it
at
broke,
200 EMA.
when it broke out, it came to take the retest and gone up.
Okay, perfect.
So
So,
it is not just a EMA. Almost like it is a 90% probability, I can say with my experience, that any kind of breakout, you will see the retest on similar time frame. So here, when you are seeing the weekly chart, there is a good chance that price will come back. So whenever you taken the entry on breakout, try to book profit on a smaller time frame. That there is a chance on the weekly time frame, the price will reverse and take the retest on that 200 EMA. It is broken. For example, here, this was a breakout, and then these 4 weeks was a retest. It was taking support here. It broken out and then took the support here. But this is a less of a breakout, but there, because price has not gone up, you can say it was simply taking a support here. And same
Darpanji,
on the reversal also. See here, base formation happened. Look at my cursor. Can you see here this particular zone? Price has gone up. So this is a support 3231, this zone, right? This particular zone, have a look. So when price came down, it gone up to take the some kind of retest and then came back. So when something will fall also, it will, any pullback will face the same resistance which was support earlier, like this one. This was the swing low, right? This is the swing low, earlier swing low. Same thing become resistance, which was support, same thing become resistance. So it is a kind of retest. It was falling, took the pullback, retested its the breakout zone, breakdown zone, and then fall again. Now, can you say that reversal is already happened? We found one reversal sign on the bottom side, and we might have took the entry based on that head and shoulder. Let me go on deeper and share once again, because we cannot wait it to all take all the reversal and then take the entry. It will be very costly, right? So here you found one pattern that it is a reverse head and shoulder, and as I highlighted, bullish falling wedge. Two pattern I found that I could have taken entry somewhere either here or maybe just after the breakout, this candle, because this is again bigger volume and breakout here on this candle. So here, somewhere here, we could have taken some entry, and now I will keep trailing, looking at all the important resistance, how the price is behaving. For example, this is a 50-week day average. Price will face a resistance at 200. Luckily, it has crossed here, and now it is 200 EMA average. Because this EMA is flattish, so remember, this might not be the best support at the right time. Actually, it will more act like a resistance than a support. Remember, when the price EMAs are flattish, don't think that it will be a great support. It kind of work like a consolidation support area, but it is not very reliable. Why it is not reliable? Because it is already not bullish. It is a flattish.
sideways.
Clear to everyone?
Yes.
EMAs
Darpanji, one more question here.
Yeah.
This retesting, we have to check with the trend lines also, or only the with EMA lines retesting?
All others
also.
All resistance are all breakout. 90% of chance is there that they will get retested.
सर जी ये अभी रेड कैंडल निकला है ना, रेड this one, so bearish.
Yes.
So like possibilities now, how it can move in the next coming sessions? Will it go up or will it act as a like
I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know.
based on the charts.
I
That's
don't know.
why.
I simply know that it reversal. Now each important level I will trail. If I do the entry here, what should I do? This has already crossed one important level here, which was the support zone. So if I keep predicting the market, I will not take the action, because there are several support, there are several resistance. So what is the best way to do it? You already have assumed that this is a falling wedge reversal already happened. So already I'm bullish on it. So I might have entry here, right? Last session we discussed this one, Hiromoto, if you remember. This bearish falling wedge. So now here, even in Maruti, similar pattern, I will show you. So generally what happens?
Correct.
Any sector goes into one kind of scenarios. Like right now, you know, all auto stocks are into correction. So all similar stocks, auto stocks has formed similar kind of pattern. I will show you in Maruti. Mahindra is having triangular pattern. I will once again, I will show you. That is also a topic of an interesting topic. So here, when I am expecting this to have a reversal, what I can do, each support level I will trade. Now it will fall, it will cross once again one important level, I can increase my position. Then it will go up. Right now, that is what the point I was discussing before Ashok said at some his point. See, this is the top, previous top, swing top. This is the next top. Till the point we are crossed here, what is the trend?
It's a bullish.
No, bullish. How? This is a one. This is one top. Next top.
Okay.
This.
Downward.
Lower high, higher low.
Still prices are below this. So till the point this particular line is crossed, the trend is still bearish.
Yeah, correct.
Whatever,
if you consider that as a resistance, it's a bearish. Yes. Correct.
So any reversal, I will be cautious here that it might take one more reversal from here, same range, and it might go like zigzag, top resistance, then support, then resistance, then support. Not necessarily this price will go in one time on the previous high. This is the best case scenario where we have taken entry. Now we can expect this to go beyond this point also. But in this journey, there is a lot of possibilities. One possibility is that it might continue lower lows. It might go down once again. So when, at what level you should take the call? What should you do?
It should break the previous resistance, which is
previous resistance
between 2985, 2985 maybe.
So here remember, for wherever you are right now, any stock, any price, you are right now here. So what is the swing high? This is the point.
3075 should break.
This is the previous swing low. This is the point. This point, or you can say this point. Depends on how what is the time frame you have taken the entry. But this is the swing low, previous swing low, and this major I can say this is the swing low and this is the swing high. Agree?
Okay.
So these two levels are previous swing high and previous swing lows are very important. If you cross the previous swing high, then now next swing, next resistance, work on the next resistance. Now this same point will become your support. So if that is broken, if you cross this price, very good, you can increase your position, right? Looking at the price action, what is happening, and that will be your stop loss now. Now the price should not come down from that point. Agree? Because on the smaller level, there are many low swing highs. On the bigger level, there are swing lows and highs are forming, right? See, this is a weekly chart. This is the high you got and low. So on this chart, what is happening right now? This is the one low form, then another low and another low. So this is saying that the price has taken the bearish trend because your lows are going lower and lower.
Lower.
So if that's why this last low is very important. Is this clear to everyone? What the point I'm trying to make? आप ऐसा समझो कि देखो जब प्राइस गिरता है ना, यहाँ से गिरना शुरू हुआ, यहाँ से देखना शुरू करो, एक लो बनाया, दूसरा लो बनाया, तीसरा लो बनाया, लो कंटिन्यूअस नीचे होता चला जा रहा है. अब कहीं रिवर्सल लेगा, बट वो कहीं से हो सकता है लाइफ टाइम में ना ले, हो सकता है लाइफ टाइम में ना ले. हमेशा यस बैंक का चार्ट आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए. किसी भी रिवर्सल को आप पकड़ रहे हो, आप ये हमेशा याद रखो वो सिंगल डिजिट में भी जा सकता है स्टॉक। तो आप इस तरीके से समझ के चलो, जब तक ये प्रीवियस, अब जब भी देखो ये फॉर्म डाउनवर्ड शुरू हुआ, इस बीच बीच में कई बार रिवर्सल के सिग्नल मिलेंगे, आप ट्रेड भी कर सकते हो वो सिग्नल, लेकिन वो स्टेब्लिश होना चाहिए। वो स्टेब्लिश कब होगा? अब यहां से देखना, आप यहाँ पे फिर से शुरू करो, लो एक मिला, दूसरा मिला, बाउंस मिला, इसने प्रीवियस क्रॉस किया, ये हाई को क्रॉस किया उसने इस लो के बाउंस पे क्रॉस किया, फिर नीचे गया, फिर यहां से बाउंस मिला, इसने प्रीवियस हाई को क्रॉस किया, प्रीवियस हाई
किया है,
किया।
2 बार किया है,
नहीं किया, ये प्रीवियस हाई है, यहाँ पे नहीं किया। आप यहाँ स्विंग हाई देखिए,
इट इज द सेम रेजिस्टेंस पे है, सेम रेजिस्टेंस लेवल पे।
उसके बाद फिर नीचे चला गया,
It could not cross that previous high.
या छोटे छोटे बाउंस लेता रहा, यहाँ पे बाउंस था, ये मेजर स्विंग हाई ये है, छोटे पॉइंट्स अभी इग्नोर करते हैं, मेजर स्विंग हाई ये है, यहाँ पे फिर क्रॉस किया इसने, नहीं किया, राइट, ये पॉइंट पे
नहीं
किया। अब जब तक ये रिवर्सल मेंटेन था, पहली बार यहाँ पे क्या हुआ देखिए, या अब ये तो डीपर करेक्शन ले लिया, अब यहाँ पे आप रिवर्सल साइन यहाँ पे देख के एंट्री ले सकते थे, वो मार्केट कंडीशन, दैट्स ऑल, लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स आर देयर, आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन हियर, जस्ट रिमेंबर जब ये वापस आया तो इसने प्रीवियस हाई को क्रॉस किया और उसके ऊपर सपोर्ट लिया, राइट, वो रिटेस्ट हुआ, और फिर अब जो है, अब की बार क्या हुआ, ये जो अगला लो बना वो पिछले लो से ऊपर था, उसके भी लो से ऊपर था, तो यानी ये जितने लो बने थे 1 2 3 4 5 इन सब के ऊपर लो बना, तो यहां से एक अप ट्रेंड की जर्नी शुरू हुई थी, जो कि वापस से जो मेजर हाई था, तो अब इसको इस तरीके से समझो, एक जो और बड़ा ट्रेंड है यानी मंथली ट्रेंड है, अब उसके लिए ये सारी चीजें, ये जो छोटे छोटे पॉइंट आप देख रहे हैं वो कुछ नहीं है। अब जरा यहां से मंथली लेवल पे इसको देखना शुरू कर दो, इसीलिए चार्ट में मैं मंथली से देखना शुरू करता हूं। ये हाई बना, हो सकता है कि अब ये मंथली का स्विंग लो और ये स्विंग हाई है, और एक लो और नीचे बने, समझ रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है? वीकली लेवल, आवरली, डेली लेवल, आवरली लेवल पे अपने ट्रेंड चल रहे होंगे। मेजर ट्रेंड रिवर्सल अभी कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? मेजर मंथली ट्रेंड पे देखना शुरू करेंगे आप, तो मंथली ट्रेंड पे ये हाई बना था, राइट, प्रीवियस लो जो मंथली था उसके नीचे चला गया था ये, राइट, मंथ के नीचे चला गया था। मंथली का पीक अभी क्रॉस किया है क्या? लास्ट हाई क्रॉस किया है क्या? नहीं किया है,
नहीं किया है,
तो यानी मंथली लेवल पे अभी भी ट्रेंड क्या है?
डाउन है, डाउन ट्रेंड ही है,
अभी भी डाउन ट्रेंड है। अगर जिगजैग
डाउन ट्रेंड है,
आप देखोगे, यहाँ से जिगजैग में बनाना शुरू करता हूँ, देखिए यहाँ से बनाना शुरू करता हूँ, एकदम डाउन पॉइंट से। हम आउट ऑफ टॉपिक हैं पर इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ से देखना शुरू करिए। एक पीक बनाया, एक यहाँ बॉटम बनाया, एक फिर पीक बनाया, और इसको भी ले सकते हैं, यहाँ भी ले सकते हैं। जस्ट ऑन रेड लाइन ओनली। आप यहाँ पे देखिए, लास्ट पीक बना यहाँ पे, उसके नीचे उसका लो था, उस लो से नीचे है हम। पिछले पीक को हमने किया है क्या मंथली लेवल पे?
क्रॉस नहीं किया है,
हो सकता है कि ये मंथली लेवल पे और एक नीचे लो बनाए। यहां तक अप ट्रेंड है, हर बार देखिए लो कहाँ बन रहा है, ये लो बना, उसके ऊपर लो, उसके ऊपर लो, उसके ऊपर नेक्स्ट लो, हर बार लो प्राइसेस ऊपर बनते रहे। तो अब हियर द प्राइस वाज क्लियर अप ट्रेंड, फिर लो ब्रेक हुआ, प्रीवियस लो ब्रेक हुआ, उसका प्रीवियस लो भी ब्रेक हो गया, और इवन इस लो के पास में चला गया। अभी प्राइसेस यहाँ आ गए, यानी बीच के 1-2 जो स्विंग लो बने थे वो सारे ब्रेक हो गए। तो बिगर ट्रेंड क्या बोल रहा है? बिगर ट्रेंड अभी भी करेक्शन फेज है। ओनली गुड थिंग इज 50 मंथ के एवरेज के ऊपर है, तो ट्रेंड ऐसे ही रिवर्सल आते हैं बिगर ट्रेंड। लेकिन अगर आप इतने बिगर ट्रेंड के अंदर अपॉर्चुनिटी लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे नहीं ढूंढेंगे तो इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे। देयर आर मेनी मेथड्स राइट, पर आपको हमेशा बैक ऑफ द माइंड लार्जर टाइम फ्रेम आपके दिमाग में रहना चाहिए कि आप लार्जर टाइम फ्रेम पे कहाँ पे हैं। ये हो सकता है कि ये एक स्विंग लो बना, ये बैक बाउंस मिला है और एक स्विंग लो और भी नीचे चला जाए, तो वो हमेशा आपके बैक ऑफ माइंड में होना चाहिए। तो उसके लिए ये जो अभी अभी स्विंग लो मिला, अगर आप उसको अपना स्टॉप लॉस पकड़ के नहीं चलेंगे तो क्या होगा? अभी आपको वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे ये एक स्विंग लो मिला राइट, अभी अभी स्विंग लो मिला। इसीलिए हमेशा प्रीवियस हाई और प्रीवियस लो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इन्हीं दो के बेसिस पे आप हमेशा अपना डिसीजन लीजिए। अगर ये प्रीवियस हाई और लो विद इन 10% के रेंज में है तो आपका रिस्क बहुत कम हो जाता है। क्यों रिस्क कम हो जाता है? आपने यहाँ एंट्री ली 2800 समथिंग पे रिवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर के हिसाब से, 2600 पे इसका आपका इसके नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए प्राइस, अदरवाइज दिस ट्रेंड विल बी नेगेटिव। दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर राइट। तो अभी 28 से 600 विद इन 5% का रेंज है, 200 रुपए का रेंज है एक स्टॉक पे, वो ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6% का ही रेंज है। तो इतना रिस्क तो आप, अगर आपको बाकी चीजें सही लग रही हैं, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ हर पैटर्न में, मेरे लिए ये ट्रेड नहीं बनती है, मैं जो टारगेट करता हूं उसके लिए ये रिवर्सल इंट्राडे ट्रेड या 1-2 डे ट्रेड में ये ओके है, पर मैं जिस सेटअप पे काम करता हूं उसके लिए ये मेरे लिए बेनिफिशियल नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने ट्रेड नहीं लिए। मुझे चाहिए होता है कि कम से कम 30-40-50% का क्लीन ऊपर साइड दिखना चाहिए और विद इन सिंगल डिजिट 8-9% का लॉस होना, मैक्सिमम लॉस ले सकता हूँ। तो यहाँ पे एंट्री के हिसाब से परफेक्ट है, अगर कोई करता है दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। आपके पास सिर्फ 200 रुपए का रिस्क है, अगर रिवर्सल मेंटेन हो गया तो आपको एटलीस्ट 2800 से 3900 तक के ऊपर टारगेट्स मिल सकते हैं बेस्ट केस में। तो रिस्क इज गुड कि आपने 200 रुपए का रिस्क लिया, 1000 रुपए तक की आपकी 1000 रुपीज की अर्निंग मिल सकती है। Is this point is clear? Lot of points we discussed. Only thing you should know, whenever you are taking reversal trade, previous swing low and previous swing high are the deciding factor. How you are going to control this trade. आपने ले लिया, होल्ड कैसे करें? होल्ड करने के लिए अब आपको प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई रेजिस्टेंस देखना पड़ेगा। ये क्रॉस कर गया, यू माइट इंक्रीज, क्योंकि ये भी एक सेटअप है। हर बार स्विंग हाई जो क्रॉस करेगा तो यानी ट्रेंड रिवर्सल का सेटअप मेंटेन हो रहा है, क्योंकि अब एक स्विंग हाई बनाएगा फिर स्विंग लो, देयर इज गुड चांस कि ये रिवर्सल हो जाएगा। तो ये रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस किया, तो अगला रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस करता है, फिर आप एंट्री बढ़ा सकते हो, अगला रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस करता है फिर। तो इस तरह के सेटअप अगर आपने बढ़िया बुलिश स्टॉक में पकड़े हैं तो वो बहुत बेनिफिशियल रहते हैं। अगेन लेट्स गो बैक टू अवर क्लासिकल सेटअप। हमने बहुत कुछ डिस्कस कर लिया, लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस वन। एक सेटअप यहाँ पे रियलाइज हो गया था कि ये जब भी ये फॉल हो रहा है ना, तो हम देखना शुरू करेंगे कि ये आखिर ये इतने लंबे बुलिश ट्रेंड के बाद ये फ्लैग फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है, पिनेंट फॉर्मेशन हो सकता है, दिस कुड बी अ सिंपल करेक्शन राइट। आपने एक लंबा बुलिश गेन मिला था आपको और उसके बाद ये प्राइस सिंपल करेक्शन होके फिर कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। तो ये यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी लेने के लिए हमें रेडी रहना चाहिए। लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे आप अच्छे से रिवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर देखा, ये 1 आवर का चार्ट है, क्लियर। यहाँ पे ये फॉर्मेशन, यहाँ लेफ्ट शोल्डर, हेड एंड राइट शोल्डर, टोटली परफेक्ट सेट। यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम के साथ बस्ट भी हुआ, यहाँ पे एंट्री ले सकते हैं। इसके जो शोल्डर का जो पिन लोअर पॉइंट होता है, ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस होना चाहिए। जब भी आप रिवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर पे लेते हैं, आप किस पैटर्न पे लेते हैं उसके बेस पे आपका स्टॉप लॉस डिसाइड होता है। आप यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ एक स्विंग लो बनाया, इसके जस्ट नीचे आपको स्टॉप लॉस रखना चाहिए। इज दिस क्लियर? स्टॉप लॉस क्या होता है? आपने एंट्री ली, आपके फेवर में है, आपने एक पैटर्न के बेस पे एंट्री ले ली, अब ये अगर स्टैब्लिश रही तो आपको रिटर्न देगी, लेकिन अगर ये फेल हुई तो कहां तक आपको होल्ड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे करेक्ट कंसोलिडेट होके ऊपर जा सकता है, स्विंग लो बना सकता है। बेसिकली जो लास्ट स्विंग लो बना शोल्डर, राइट शोल्डर का, उसके जस्ट नीचे आपको अपना स्टॉप लॉस रखना चाहिए। तो आपको 100, 150, 200, ये यहाँ पे आपने अगर एंट्री ली है 2850 के आसपास में, तो 2760 यानी 100 रुपीज के आसपास का आपका स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा। वो रिस्क है आपका। रिवॉर्ड कितना होगा, ये जो हेड है ना, हेड की डेप्थ आपका रिवॉर्ड होता है इस पैटर्न में। आपको आप लोगों को एक चार्ट भेजा है मैंने, उसको ध्यान से देखिए, उसमें एंट्री एंड स्टॉप लॉस मेंशन्ड है सारे पॉइंट्स पे, सारे पैटर्न पे किस तरीके से रखना चाहिए। This meeting will be over in 1 minute. We will start once again with another patterns. Clear to everyone?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.